How to get views on your reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get views on your reels on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, let's go to my Instagram. Now, for example, this is my reel and I have posted this reel just in a few minutes and I get more than 100 views and it's keeping like growing. All you need to do to get views is, like you see, this is my video. There is nothing on the video, and look at my hashtags. Click on edit and look on my hashtags. You should tap this kind of hashtags. Anything have explore and Instagram on hashtag. Tap anything have Instagram and explore on your hashtag and click on the check icon and post your video with many hashtags of explore and explore page. It helps too much. Look at this. It's keep growing and it's keep getting views. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.